Alright guys, welcome back to another video. So this is a road to professional video. So as you guys can see, I woke up really early today. You can hear the hens. Well, what I'm gonna do today is I'm gonna run. It's currently 7 in the morning, so I'm gonna run two to 3 miles. It depends, and then I'm gonna go back inside, do some homework, and then play some soccer after. So yeah, I'll come back to you guys when I finish the run. I was getting chased by some dogs. Dang. Whew. Shoot. Made me sprint a little there. Alright guys, 2 miles done. It was a lot of distraction when I was running. The dogs were chasing me. That was just one pair of dogs, and then towards the end, when I was running, I heard a deep dog bark, and then I looked over. It was a big pit bull, bro. It was 2 of them. Yeah, I ran so fast I did not want to go back there again. So after that, I didn't run that side anymore. I just ran in here, short distance. It took longer because there was short space to run. But it's better to run safe than to get bitten by a bulldog, you know. But yeah, I'm about to go inside, do some homework, come back later, and I'll talk to you guys when I come back. Alright guys, I'm back. It's later on in the day. I just ran another mile, and now it's time to play. Alright guys, so for the first drill, it's going to be a figure 8 drill. We're going to be using both feet, and we're going to do it for like 5 minutes, get warmed up, and then we're going to move to something else. Let's go. So I just finished the dribbling. I did it for about 7 minutes. So now what we're going to do is we're going to move the ball side to side, practice our ball move. Alright guys, so I did it for about 7 more minutes. So now what we're going to do is we're going to go inside and out the cones, and then backwards, and then take a shot. So let's get started. Alright guys, that's it for today. I hope you guys could see the end because it was getting dark. I'm ending the vlog, but I'm going to keep on working on my dribbling. The same thing I was doing with the very last drill. Make sure when you're doing the last drill to practice your skill moves, movement, moving side to side and everything. As in, you're in an in-game situation, pretend someone is coming from your back, and try to think of a situation to dribble past. So that's something I would recommend you guys to do. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Share it please, so I can get my dream come true. I'm working really hard every day. It's just that I'm out of town still, but I'll be back soon to my house. But yeah, I'm working every day on my skills. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe. And peace.